Can drinking apple cider vinegar really help you lose weight? Or is this just another internet health trend that sounds too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind apple cider vinegar. I consulted experts, reviewed the research, and I'm going to give you the honest truth about what it can and cannot do for weight loss. Plus, I'll cover the potential side effects that nobody talks about, and if you do decide to try it, exactly how much you should drink. So if you're serious about evidence-based health information, let's get into it.
First, let's talk about what apple cider vinegar actually is. When you combine apples, sugar, and yeast and allow them to ferment over several weeks, the yeast digests the sugar to create alcohol. Then, natural bacteria convert that alcohol into acetic acid, which gives apple cider vinegar that strong, pungent smell and sour taste. When you buy apple cider vinegar, you have two options: filtered and pasteurized, which looks clear, or raw and unfiltered, which has that cloudy sediment at the bottom. That cloudy stuff? It's called the mother. It's a combination of bacteria and yeast, and many people believe this is where the real health benefits come from because it contains trace amounts of healthy bacteria and probiotics.
Now let's talk about what apple cider vinegar can actually do. The first major benefit is blood sugar control. This is huge, especially since up to 95% of diabetics have type 2 diabetes, according to the CDC. Amelia T., her registered diet insulin, leading to increased blood sugar levels. Here's where it gets interesting. Studies have shown that apple cider vinegar can improve insulin response and lower blood sugar levels after meals. One study even found that consuming ACV before bed reduced fasting blood sugar levels the next morning. But here's something critical. If you have diabetes and you're on medication, talk to your doctor before trying this. As T says, ACV alone will not lower blood sugar levels and should not be considered a substitute for diabetes medications. It can support your treatment, but it's not a replacement.
Benefit number 2. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful bacteria killer. For thousands of years, vinegar has been used as a natural preservative. Apple cider vinegar can kill harmful microbes like staph, candida, E. coli, and even norovirus. In fact, vinegar is so effective that it's a popular food preservative in Korea, specifically because it prevents dangerous bacteria from growing. This is why some people use diluted apple cider vinegar to wash fruits and vegetables. It's a natural way to reduce harmful bacteria on your produce.
Okay, here's the big one everyone wants to know about. Can apple cider vinegar actually help you lose weight? The answer is yes, but not in the way you might think. When taken before or during a meal, ACV increases satiety. That's the feeling of fullness. And when you feel full, you naturally eat less. In one study, participants who consumed apple cider vinegar with a meal ate 200 to 275 fewer calories. Think about that. That's significant. Another study found that participants taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV per day lost up to 3.7 pounds in 3 months and also reduced their body fat percentage. Now, is 3.7 pounds in 3 months life-changing? Not really. But combined with a healthy diet and exercise, apple cider vinegar can be a helpful tool in your weight loss journey. It's not magic, it's just one piece of the puzzle. The fourth benefit is cholesterol improvement. High cholesterol and triglycerides increase your risk of heart disease, so this matters. Studies show that incorporating up to an ounce of apple cider vinegar into your day, along with a lower calorie diet, may reduce total cholesterol and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, that's the good cholesterol.
Those with type 2 diabetes saw even better results with just half an ounce per day. Again, it's not a miracle cure, but it can support your overall heart health strategy. Now, before you run to the store, we need to talk about the side effects. This is important. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, and that can cause real problems. Here's what can happen if you're not careful. Number 1, it can strip tooth enamel, and once that's gone, it's gone forever. Number 2, drinking it undiluted can burn your esophagus and throat. Number 3, it can cause low potassium levels, also called hypokalemia. Number 4, it can cause nausea or vomiting. And number 5, it can interact with medications like diuretics, insulin, and others. Registered dietitian Marisa Moore reminds us it's important to remember that no one food is a silver bullet. If you choose to incorporate apple cider vinegar, do so safely and with a focus on maintaining a balanced, whole diet. The solution? Always dilute it. Mix it with water or juice. This makes it safer for your throat and teeth while still giving you the benefits.
So how much should you actually drink? Amelia T. recommends 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of ACV diluted in 6 to 8 ounces of warm water before meals. You can drink it diluted in water, juice, or tea. You can cook with it in dressings and vinaigrettes. Or you can try pre-made apple cider vinegar drinks from brands like Bragg, Poppy, or Remedy. These are designed to taste better and are already diluted for safety. You can also use it topically. Add a cup or 2 to a bath for skin issues, or mix it with water as a hair rinse. Just remember, it can be drying, so use it sparingly.
So here's the bottom line. Apple cider vinegar does have some legitimate benefits backed by research. It can help with blood sugar control, kill harmful bacteria, support modest weight loss, and improve cholesterol levels. But it is not a miracle solution. You're not going to drink apple cider vinegar and suddenly drop 20 pounds. It works best when combined with a healthy diet, regular exercise, good sleep, and stress management. And always dilute it to protect your teeth and throat. Talk to your doctor before trying it, especially if you're on medication or have existing health conditions. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried apple cider vinegar? Did it work for you? Drop a comment below and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more evidence-based health content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.